Hey. Alright, so this is an experiment between a child and an adult. For anybody that sits there and watches this video and says, oh, hey, I could do that, you're full of crap. Because I'm a grown man, and I thought that I was pretty kick-ass at the hula. No, I suck. So, here you go.
First try.
Okay. Like I can't do this. Here, I'll even do hers.
Okay, let me try. Let me try.
Okay, it's your turn, Kayla. Wow.
Yeah, there's no way that I'm going to keep up with that. I'm getting my butt whooped by a 6-year-old.
It's Fritz's turn.
Yeah. Hey, I did it. You got to do it.
Galing ni Kayla.
You got to at least try.
Oh, daddy naman, si daddy mo.